Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel auto renewal on MTN. Now, to cancel auto renewal, the first thing you need to do is open your dialer or keypad, and then you type in *312# for MTN. Remember, we're talking about MTN. Then you choose 1, and then you choose 99. You take it to the next page, and you choose 10 to manage your data. Sorry, I should put in the wrong one. 312. You can put *312*1# or *312#. Then you choose 99 to go to the next page, and you choose 10, not 19, 10, and to take you to my data. And here, if you want to cancel auto renewal, just simply choose 3 and press send. It's as simple as that.